Baseball fans, please join the Detroit Tigers in honoring today's military hero of the game, my late father, Sergeant Richard Crotchet. Dad served in the United States Marine Corps during the Vietnam War and was stationed in Kaneohe Bay, Hawaii from 1971 to 1975. He was awarded the National Defense Service Medal, Good Conduct Medal, Rifle Marksmanship Badge, and was honorably discharged for his service to our country. Receiving a Tigers jersey on his behalf are his wife, my mother Susan, and our entire family. Ladies and gentlemen, your Detroit Tigers military hero of the game, United States Marine Corps Sergeant Richard Crotchet.